So with dividing with fractions, there are actually two ways that I can think of that you can do it. So watch this video and see if, and then after this watch the second video and see which one you prefer, which one just works with you. So let's do the first one here. 2/5 divided by 3/4. 2/5 divided by 3/4. So the first way is simply we get the denominators the same, okay? Like you do with adding and subtracting fractions. Alright, you get the denominators the same. So first we need our lowest common denominator. So our lowest common denominator will be 20. And I did that by going 5 times 4. It's not always the way you can find the lowest common denominator, but most of the time it works. Alright, so we've got 2/5 divided by 3/4, lowest common denominator of 20. So to get 5 to become a denominator of 20, we multiply it by 4. And what we do to the bottom, we do to the top to keep this fraction equivalent. So we got 2 times 4, we have 8 divided by 5 times 4 is 20. So we've got our denominator of 20. Now we divide it by, and so this fraction, we times it by 5 because that gets us 20. And what do to the bottom? Do to the top. So we have 20 obviously at the bottom, and 3 times 5 is 15. So our new number sentence is 8 divided by 20. The 8 here divided by 20 divided by 15 divided by 20. Now, our answer, our new fraction now, is simply 8 over 15. So what we do is we grab our first number, okay? Our first number becomes our new numerator. Okay? So this becomes our new numerator. And our second number becomes our new denominator. Okay? So that goes at the bottom. So just see it as 8 divided by 15. Okay? 8 divided by 15. And so that is our answer there. So those steps again, divide the fractions, find the lowest common denominator. Okay, or get the denominators the same for both fractions. And once you've done that, it's just the first number becomes a numerator and the second number becomes a denominator. So and you just read across 8 divided by 15, and so that's 8 divided by 15. Let's just try that with the second question. So we have 2/4 divided by a half. Now, if we look at this carefully, 2/4, that can be simplified. Okay, that can be simplified to a half. So that's a half divided by a half. A half divided by a half. Now, obviously when a number is divided by itself, it's always 1. Okay, it's always 1. But you can also see it as our first number divided by our second number. Yeah, so our first number, remember, becomes our numerator. So that's 1. And our second number becomes a denominator, which is also 1. And 1 divided by 1 is 1. So that's and that's because that works because both these numbers are the same denominators. So the steps again, make sure the denominator is the same, and then you just read it across the numerators. The numerators will be a new fraction. So numerator here, first number is 1 divided by 1, which is the new denominator.